very good. It was very interesting to discover about the moon and how it was. I discovered how the moon landed and what all did I have to find. It was a very interesting.
Earth was showing and we saw the space that it was very deep space, very deep space, and I really liked the whole.
Space with virtual reality has been a wonderful experience so far, and my children are also happy. So I wish that after seeing this virtual reality show, the students would understand how is it to go into space. Chandrayaan collected all the minerals and all the things, so when they also collected through it, they had a wonderful time, and I expect many students getting interested in astronomy. Thank you so much.